What's up, fam? We're back with another video, and today we got the Tom Stefaniuk mystery box. I really hope I pronounced his name right, but we don't got one, we got two of them. I don't know why I got two. I ordered one, so shout out Tom for giving me two, but I'm pretty sure with the size of both of these boxes, I ain't have no shoe. So just for future reference, for future mystery boxes, Tom, please put bigger boxes. We want to be suspenseful when we're opening these boxes. Now, because these are so small, I just know I have no shoe. What am I supposed to do with that? I know these are two shirts and these are two shirts. So where's the excitement? Where's the fun in opening this at all? You know, and if you were to give me a shoe, it'd be on the outside. So I'd be able to just look and be like, okay, that I have a shoe. There's no mystery about it. It's a mystery box. At least give people the sense of fun, you know? Anyways, we got this one right here. Let's give it a little stab. This knife is way too big, yo. Give it a stab on that side. We gotta give a stab on this side too. And oops, I have shaken the camera. Professional videos, guys, professional. Nothing short of cinematography. All right, coolio. Now we got one shirt, and we got another shirt. All right, we're gonna open these up really quick, but we also have a pair of laces. All right, we got, of course, the sticker and the Tom Stefaniuk thank you for shopping card, which I appreciate. Good looking, Tom. Get next month's box now at tomstefaniuk.com/shop. Thanks for the support. Thanks for your support. All right, that's cool. Now I'm gonna show you guys the shirt opened in a second, but let's open this up too. I'm probably just gonna try selling these on like Grail, guys. If we're being honest, I might keep one depending on the design. Some of them did seem cool, but it's all about quality too. You know, if there's bad quality, then I'm not gonna buy them. And I thought this video had no ads, but it has ads. Sorry, guys. All right, we're back in action. All right, now we're just gonna manhandle this one. And I think we got another shirt. Another shirt. And the same exact pair of laces. Damn, bro. Same sticker too. Another thanks for shopping card. Let's see what these shirts are like. How do I open it? It actually doesn't feel too bad. It's AL Style Apparel and Activewear. Never heard of that brand before. Oh, Gildan. Yeah, it's just Gildan. So it doesn't feel too bad, you know. Feeling real. We got one over there. We got another duplicate Feeling Real shirt. That's not cool, man. I didn't get no shoe and you give me a duplicate shirt. Come on, Tom. Come on, Tom. All right, let's open another one. See, I might rock this one right here, but since you didn't give me a shoe, I don't know how to feel now, man. I don't know if I should rock this. But we got a Stefaniuk shirt. And for the last one, this one actually feels No, this one's the same, but this one's different. This one's straight kill done. And we have the Feel Real shirt. So, after opening 2 Tom Stefaniuk mystery boxes, how do I feel about it? I feel like if you're okay with buying 2 shirts and a pair of laces or a keychain or maybe a sneaker cleaner, I was hoping for the sneaker cleaner at least, honestly. But if you're okay with that, then go ahead, go all for it. You're probably not going to get a shoe. He has to make his money back. Some people say it's a scam. Depends on how many people buy it. You know, if there's only 100 people buying it, then, which there isn't, there's definitely more, honestly. There's at least 1,000. So 1,000 times 50, that's 5,000, right? No, 100 times 50 is 5,000. So you're telling me he makes 50,000 off? Nah, I'm bugging. I can't do math, y'all. Anyways, this might be a scam, this might not be. I feel like I deserve a shoe, man. I'm gonna try ordering more of these for you guys so you can see what's up with it. I might order 5 at one time, I'm not sure. But, you know, Tom, if you watch this, I just want you to know, I would really appreciate you getting bigger boxes. I know it's gonna cost more for shipping and all of that, and so the box is gonna cost more than that. But for those who do win, having that layer of excitement is a huge plus, in my opinion at least. You know, I think a lot of people share the same sentiment. We got some cool shirts, gonna put them up on Grailed, except maybe the Stefaniuk one, because I still watch the guy, you know. He's a cool dude. I just don't like the direction he's taking recently with like all the clickbait and all the mystery box not properly being packaged. But besides that, he seems like a cool, down-to-earth guy. I just hope things get better, man. But that being said, man, I fuck with you, Tom. I'm rocking with you. I hope you have a good one. I hope everyone watching this has a good one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It means everything. I got like 100 views on 2 of my videos already, and I didn't expect that to happen so quickly, so that's always cool to see, you know, people actually watch my content. You know, not a lot of people like it, but you know, that's because we're doing entry-level content right now. We could always do this a lot better. I have some upcoming projects. I'm gonna be dyeing an Air Force One for you guys. I'm gonna be unboxing more mystery boxes. I have some Mason Margiela coming in. I have, well, what else? A chain that I'm gonna be getting and showcasing. Maybe it's gonna come with a pendant and like a ring. They give me $100 like free silver, so I'm not sure when we use that $100 on, whether it's gonna be a pendant or a ring. So we got some videos cooking up for you guys. We got some Rue Porter coming in, so we're gonna be doing a Rue Porter review. I might start a brand eventually down the road, and I would prefer it to be on the higher end for a low price, because I'm always about giving low prices. That's always been something that I feel in my soul and like tied to, you know. It's like something that I always love doing, giving low prices, because then people are like, holy crap, I can't believe I got this for this price. That's awesome. And I want my brand to be the same. Even if I make less money, that'd be cool to do. So that's just a little bit of me and what I got going. Again, I hope everyone has a splendid day. It's gonna be Monday when I upload this, so I hope everyone has a marvelous Monday, and I hope you all are doing good, are doing fine. I'm dragging this out way too long, y'all. Have a good one.